Okay guys, so welcome back again. So in this video, let's see that how do we update our dependencies that are inside Node.js projects. And before we continue, if you haven't tried Zeet, do try it once because it is the fastest and easiest way to deploy your code or database. You can check out the first link in the description below. So now to check for updates inside our Node.js projects, we are going to use this package that is called npm check updates. So firstly, what you need to do, you need to simply install it globally. So npm install or simply I and -g, and you need to install this package that is npm check -updates like this. So it will install it globally on your system. So I'm not going to do it because it is already installed. And now we are inside a project here that is API authentication Node.js. And this is the authentication series that I made a couple of months ago on Node.js. So if we have a look at the package.json file, we see that we have these many dependencies here that are these dependencies. And now what if we want to update our project to the latest dependencies? So how do we do that? It is very simple. Since we already have npm check updates installed, what we simply need to do, we simply need to type ncu and we simply need to press enter here. And now it will tell you what all updates are available for your dependencies. So we see here that we have an update for HTTP errors that is from 1.7.3 to 1.8.0, and similarly for Mongoose and similarly for NodeMon. So now to update the dependencies inside the package.json file, what we need to do, we simply need to do ncu, or let me show you the package.json file again. So we see that we are getting an update for this thing here that is 1.7.3 to something, and then for the Mongoose and for the NodeMon here. So now what I'll do, I'll simply do ncu-u to update the packages inside our Node.js file, or sorry, the package.json file. And now if we have a look at the package.json file, we see that the dependencies have been updated, but they are not applied, because to apply them, what we need to do, we simply need to call again, that is npm install, to install the dependencies, that is the latest dependencies that are inside the package.json file. So this is how we update dependencies inside our project. So now let me clear out the console, and now let me show you one more thing, that is how to update the dependencies that are globally installed in your system. So for that, from any directory, what you need to do, you need to simply do ncu-g, and it will check all the dependencies that are globally installed for updates, and it is going to run. So we see that we have 17 dependencies inside our that are globally installed on our system, and we see that only this dependency, that is Firebase Tools, requires an update from 8.17.0 to 8.18.0. And now to install this dependency, what we need to do, we simply need to copy this line from here, that is npm-g install Firebase Tools. So let me paste it here, and now let me simply press enter. And now it will update the dependencies globally on our system. And if you have more dependencies that require updates, then those dependencies would be appearing here, and then you simply need to copy this line, and then you simply need to paste it here, and then you simply need to press enter, and that's all what you need to do. So guys, that's all about this video. So if you have liked the video, do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and stay connected for future updates. So thank you, bye bye, tata, take care, and have a good day and a great day.